G'day, here's a little parcel of offcuts, rubs, bits and pieces, mostly Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's been a little random scoop out of the bucket that I had here. Some are better than others. That black there's the permanent marker. Still, there's a couple of little stones left in that. One over here, one there. Some not so good. Got a hole. Don't know whether they've drilled 2 holes or what there, but you could still cut that back down and make it into a nice stone. About the hole. Bit of black matrix. It's a bit of nothing. A few little pieces. Basically just thrown in. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.